Dividing by 3, Practice 2. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice dividing by 3. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please note that if you'd like to finish or try any of these problems on your own, you may pause the video at any time. But we'll be doing all of these problems together. Please copy this down. 486 divided by 3. We're going to begin by dividing 4 by 3. 4 is higher than 3, so we're going to count by 3 until we get to 4. Let's count. 3, 6. Oops, 6 is too high, so we stop at 3. This is 1, 3. So we'll put a 1 up top with 2 zeros as placeholders. We're going to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, and we'll add the 2 zeros for 300. Now we're going to subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 0 is 8, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. We're now going to look at the 1. 1 is less than 3, so we cannot divide it. However, we can look at 18. We're going to count by 3 until we get to 18 without going over. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oops, that's too high. We stopped at 18. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that we're going to add a 6 up top with a 0 as a placeholder. Then we'll multiply. 3 times 6 is 18, and we add the 0. Now we subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 8 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Our final number to divide is 6. We're going to count by 3 until we get to 6. 3, 6, 9, that's too high. We stop at 6. There's 1, 2. That means we're going to put the 2 straight up above where the 6 is. So I'm going to put a 2 right here. 2 times 3 is 6. So I'm going to do 6 minus 6, which equals 0. That means my answer is 162, which I get from up here. To check our work, we can multiply by 3, because the opposite of division is multiplication. Let's multiply. 3 times 2, 3, 6. Next, 3 times 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Put the 8 down, carry the 1. 3 times 1, 3, then add 4. Our answer of 486 equals our original number, 486. That means that our answer of 162 is the correct answer. 486 divided by 3 equals 162. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 861 divided by 3. We'll begin by looking at the 8. 8 is bigger than 3, so we're going to count by 3. 3, 6, 9. Oops, 9 is too high. We're going to stop here. 1, 2. The closest we can get is 6. So we'll put the 2 up top because we have 2 3s. And then we're going to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. We'll put the 2 zeros as placeholders and then subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 6 minus 0 is 6. And then we count 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So next we'll look at 261. The first number is 2, which is smaller than 3. So that means we have to look at the next number also, the 6. 26. We're going to count by 3 until we get to 26 without going over. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Oops, that's too high. We're going to stop at 24. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll put an 8 up top, add a 0. 3 times 8 is 24. We add the 0 for the placeholder, and then we subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1, and then 6 minus 4. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 minus 2 is nothing, so we don't have to write anything down. Next, we'll look at the 2, which is too small, but now we can look at 21. So we're going to count by 3 until we get to 21 without going over. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Too high, so we stop at 21. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number that we put up top. And then we multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. We're going to subtract that, and that equals 0. What that means is that this number up here, 287, is our answer. We're going to check our work by multiplying, because the opposite of division is multiplication. Let's count. 3 times 7, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 1 goes below, carry the 2. 3 times 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Then add 25, 26. Put the 6 below and carry the 2. 3 times 2, 3, 6. Then we add 7, 8. 861 matches 861. What that means is our answer of 287 is correct. 861 divided by 3 is 287. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we practiced dividing by 3. Thank you for following along.